Let's find the value of x in this plane shape question. Okay, and it looks more like a trapezium here. So here, from here to here is 8 centimeter. From this point to this point is 10 centimeter. From here to here is x centimeter, and the base from here to here is 9 centimeter. So how do you go about it? Now let us consider this, that for us to find x, okay, let us map out from this point down. Okay, now since here is 8 centimeter, now and we know from a right angle, from every rectangle, this side is equal to this side, and this side is also equals to this side. Now if this rule holds here, it implies that from this point to this point is 8 centimeter, and this from here to here will also be what? X centimeter. And let's take note that from here to here is 9 centimeter, and if from here to here is x centimeter, then it implies that from here to here will definitely be 9 minus x. All right, so to make it more easier, let's make 9 minus x just y. So let us just make it as y. So okay, now and if you take a look at, if you cut out this triangle, you get to see it's a right angle triangle. Okay, now if this is true, then we can map it out. For here is 10, then this is 8, and let's make this what? Y. Now since it's a right angle triangle, we can actually find the value of y using the Pythagoras what? Theorem. And by that we say the opposite, the hypotenuse squared then equals the opposite squared plus the adjacent squared. Okay, so here we have 10 squared minus 8 squared then equals y squared. Now if we are to use the difference of 2 squared to evaluate this, all we are going to do here is 10 plus 8, then 10 minus 8, all equals what? Y squared. Now this gives us 18 times, this will be 18, then times 2 equals y squared. And this is what? 36. So here you have 36 equals y squared. So to this end, let us square root both sides, and by square root both sides, and since we are looking for the positive value of y, so definitely y will give us what? 6. Now and if y is 6, so we can here say that y is equals 9 minus x. So here we have that 6 then equals 9 minus x. Now collecting like term here, or bringing negative x over to the right hand side, we have this, and here we have 9, bringing 6 over to the right hand side, we have what? 6, negative 6. So x equals 3 centimeter. Beautiful. Don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you. Bye bye.